Hello everyone, in today's episode we are going to talk about a good company's cases made from 100% plant waste and 0% plastic. Because we all know, plastic ain't fantastic. Currently, a good company's cases are only available for Apple devices and more specifically iPhone 6, 6s, 7 and 8, iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus, iPhone X, XS and XS Max, like this one here. Wait. Android lovers, relax. The plant-based cases are coming for you as well very soon. Don't worry about it, we got you covered. Now, without further ado, let's put them on and see what are they all about. Okay, so here we have iPhone XS Max and iPhone 6. So let's put them on case and see how they feel. Okay, so first thing first, this is a hard case, which means that putting it on and getting it off could be a little bit challenging, so bear this in mind. Otherwise, the case is really thin and very light. After all, it's made out of plants, so that is definitely a huge benefit because it won't make your phone super bulky. Okay, in terms of the cutouts, I would say they're alright. However, be aware that for iPhone 6, 6s, 7 and 8, it's the same case. So the cutout for the camera won't be ideal, but from what I can see, it was still protected, so I guess it's fine. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the edge of the case goes just a little over the edge of the phone to protect your screen in case you drop your phone face down. What about the design? Personally, I think that design is quite unique, which is a plus. And they also come in a total of 29 designs, so at least one should be to your liking. And if not, you can always personalize your case with a text or logo and make it just a little bit better. Now, it's time for the drop test. Okay. Yeah. Looks good. Okay, to be completely honest with you, I didn't expect for either my phone or the case to survive this drop test. Not because it was super high or anything, just because this is a hard case and I didn't think that the case will absorb the impact of the fall very well. But it did, so I guess Mother Nature saved the day once again. That's the conclusion. I'm getting more and more confident in this case, to be honest. But even if it breaks, or you simply get tired of your case, you can always swap your old case for a new one with a Good Loops program and get the new one for a discounted price. Voila! Save the nature, save some money. Speaking of hard-earned cash, a good company's cases cost £30 for those cases with a design on it and £23 for those with a single color design such as the vanilla white or the black case. However, it's also worth pointing out that a good company plants a tree for every case they sell, and they also donate 4% of every purchase to their good foundation. Okay, so what is my final verdict? I think that this case is all about design and sustainability. If you're someone who is looking for a hardcore case that will survive the end of the world and you can just throw your phone around with it, that's probably not your case. However, if you are someone like me who rarely drops their phone and you're just looking for something to protect the back and the front of your phone from any scratches, and you're looking for something that is stylish and environmentally friendly, then this case might be just the perfect case for you. And with that, I rest my case. To find out more about a good company, visit the website, link in the description below, where you can find out more about their cases and their range of sustainable products. From me, Stefan Dimov and Project Caritas, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.
I just finished filming.